letters are strawberry. So I think you guys have an sort of mine, but I'm saying red one. So I'm just sorry, let me look at that. So anything you would like to get covered, kasi rin ang hamak. I'm creating this view. I'm just gonna create this for YouTube account. I'll get in a YouTube account. So if you want to join the view, just focus on YouTube, telling your name, your age, and 6 reasons here why you want to be in the view. So I forgot to mention myself. And I forgot to mention the name of the movie. It's called the Strawberry Brook. So this is the first year. I did everything, guys. But you need to think of your name to join in order to join the group. So you just need to do all of the things about it. You can just call me the elder, so you can just call me the pink strawberry egg. Or you can call me by my nickname, Pao. If you want to join the group, just say your name and which reasons you want to join the group. This is why you want to join the group, to try it. Here's my story. I don't know why my pinag class and the only one raising my hand in English or Filipino. All my classmates are a little bit smart or naive, but sometimes I get the answers wrong in that. So this is my question to all of my classmates if you're one of mine. So my classmates are at Tagalog. If you're my classmate, one of my classmates, just answer this Tagalog. They're in Tagalog, okay? Bakit kayo hindi magtataas ng kamay? Pag nagtatanong si teacher. Ako. Lagay nyo lang sa comment. So, I have Tagalog and have English. Pwede natin magdari sa corner. He lives lang. But he's from the Philippines, and I live in the Philippines. So if you want to speak Tagalog or any language, just translate it in video or translate it in Google. That's all. Bye. I'm gonna send my video in my next video. Okay, bye.